For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
In an interesting turn of events, Indian researchers found that air pollution can play a major role in the development of diseases such as diabetes. The team of researchers led by Sanjay Rajagopalan conducted a study on how air pollution can have an impact on major diseases, including stroke, heart attack, and cardiometabolic disease.
Air pollution can play a role in the development of cardiometabolic diseases such as diabetes, and the cardiovascular effects of air pollution can lead to heart attack and stroke. Insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes suffered an increase in the likelihood of exposure to air pollution.
The researchers also examined the modifications on the air pollution cessation.
Publicity to air pollution could possibly be in comparison with consuming a high-fat weight loss program. The genome-wide epigenetic modifications have been in contrast and contrasted with that of consuming an unhealthy weight loss program. The effect of air pollution cessation on these modifications was then examined.
As per the researchers, the team was divided into 3 distinct teams. One team was receiving clear air, second team was uncovering air pollution for 24 weeks, and the third team was fed a high-fat weight loss program.
In the mouse model study, 3 groups were placed under observation, with control group receiving clean filtered air, a group getting exposed to polluted air for 24 weeks, and a group fed a high-fat diet. We found that being exposed to air pollution was comparable to eating a high-fat diet. Both the air pollution and high-fat diet groups showed insulin resistance and abnormal metabolism, just like one would see in a pre-diabetic state.
Furthermore, the researcher added that once the air pollution was removed from the environment, the mice started appearing to be healthy. The study conducted by the Indian researcher is the first of its kind to draw a comparison between epigenetic changes in response to air pollution.
These changes were associated with changes in the epigenome, a layer of control that can masterfully turn on and turn off thousands of genes, representing a critical buffer in response to environmental factors. This study is the first of its kind to compare genome-wide epigenetic changes in response to air pollution, compare and contrast these changes with that of eating an unhealthy diet, and examine the impact of air pollution cessation on these changes.
The study was published in the clinical journal. However, Dr. Rajagopalan also stated that the effects were reversible in the experiments. Meanwhile, the researchers are also planning to involve more experts from the National Institute of Health.